welcome back to the Jeffers Crew, and today I got my crazy RC car, what I got for my birthday a few days ago. And it's trying to let me down with it. Yes, and we're chasing Evie still. Hold it.
So what's the plan here? She seems to have gotten away.
If you guys don't know, but this car is like really fast. It has outran me, but I have outran it a few times. Going for the turn.
Oops, I think you missed the ramp, bud.
If that thing lays one finger on me again, I am gonna run over it.
Oh, she's coming back around it. Winfred, are you gonna go head on?
Go ahead on.
Or you do it next. Up, she's backing down. She's not up for the challenge.
But my car is up for the challenge to do a whole loop.
All right, you'll return next, okay? All right, with no pouting.
So guys, I'm gonna be running now, and she's gonna be controlling. So push back, pull back. This is to turn. That thing up there is to turn. Okay, start chasing me. Okay, you can start chasing me. The black thing is to turn.
You gonna steer it all, or you're just gonna? There you go. Is this your first time driving this thing, Evie? I think the battery's dying. It's slowing down a little bit.
Don't run into my bike.
Any comments? Any comments, Evie? All right, we're out.
Okay guys, welcome back to the Jeffers Crew, and today I'm going to see my doping thing. Penny, your bow. Climb this hill. Let's start here.
Oh, so close.
Try going up here where it's a little steeper.
What?
Or try going up the side over there. Try the side over there. Yeah. I just can't quite climb that, can it? Back up.
Don't kick it, that's cheated. Yeah,
Now bring it down.
No,
Bring
bring it down. No,
bring it down.
Bring it down to
Drive it down. Don't move it. Like, drive it.
He's trying to move it to where there's no bushes.
Oh boy, it's gonna be wild.
Whoa! Wait, guys, before you go, we have to complete. Let me see if you guys can complete the 5-second challenge where you like and subscribe and comment a car emoji since we're driving a car today, and a bike emoji. In 5 seconds. So you better be ready, cause now I'm gonna count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you did the challenge, you could make sure to leave a comment down below.